In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add new account in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile. And as you may know, we can add multiple accounts to our Instagram app, and then we can easily switch between them. To do that, tap right here at your username and it will show you all your Instagram accounts. We can easily switch between them in that way. And if you want to add new account here, all you have to do is just stop where it says add account, then log in the existing account or create new account. If I'm not mistaken, we can add up to 10 different accounts here, so all you have to do is just enter your phone number, username or email and then password and tap add login. After that, your account will be added to that list. That's how you can easily add new account in Instagram.